In this video, I'm going to show you how to link charts in Quantower. Now to do this, first you want to open a chart and then you want to go to the top left over here where you can see of course your color of your chart you currently have selected, and then there's the three lines next to it and you want to click on them, and then from here when you hover over link, it's going to allow you to basically link charts using these colors over here. Now by default it's usually going to be either yellow or something else, so for me it was yellow, and as you can see right now as yellow is selected, this means I am linked to my watch list over here and to my time and sales as well, because all of these are yellow. So whenever I click on my watch list, for example, it's going to update on my chart as well as here inside this time and sales panel on the right, okay? So this means I'm successfully linked. However, you may link it differently as well. So for example, if I switch this, for example, if I click on here and then link this to something like red, this is now red, and if I now interact with this watch list, the chart is not going to change. However, time and sales is going to, because of course it's connected to my watch list. They are both yellow. Now right now I'm actually going to go and link this back over here, and I'm going to put it back to yellow, and again it's going to work just like intended. But of course if you want to link more charts, you could just add a new chart up top from over here, and then you can link this chart as well. As you can see by default this one is light blue. If I change this to something else, so for example if I go to like green or something, I can then go to the watch list over here, and I can make the watch list green as well, and that's going to kind of connect with that one as well, okay, which is quite convenient. Now if your charts get hidden because of course you haven't managed them correctly or something like this, you could just always click down here and then pull up the new chart, and you could go and basically place it whatever you want. I'm actually going to go and just put it up here like this. There we go. You could also go and click on this button over here to show and hide trading toolbars if you want to, and of course customize it however you want. But that's really how to do it, okay? So that's how to link your charts using these colors over here, and as long as the colors are the same, they're going to interact between each other using watch lists, charts, and then of course these other tabs you can open over here as well. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.